Go. Misfire over the win. Against the wall. Misfire with his left. Got him right in the corner. A little edge in that good. Up against the wall here. 2 minutes left here. Misfire got him in the corner. Got him in the corner. They're stuck.
Come on.
Froman looking to get out. Misfire.
Come on.
I'm out here. Robots are stuck at each other. It's a minute 34 left here. Here we go in 3, 2, 1, go! Froman goes airborne and stuck again. Time out here. They're stuck for a second time.
It's not like Matt doesn't have a chance. We're doing really good.
Yeah, we are. What did you do with your it's just so like good, like every time you pull it back, it's so straight.
3, 2, 1, go! Froman may be small, but he is mighty. Line it up for that one. Misfire tosses him around like he is nothing.
Grab him, Matt. Stuck again.
And they're stuck almost. Time out again. 3 seconds. The third time is showing up for this.
It's like the weirdest matchup. Get out of here.
Oh, be nice to Abe.
Just Spartan kick them off.
Spartan kicks our robot.
3, 2, 1, go! The spinning maneuver. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it. Now for the judge's decision here.
At least we were doing something. You guys
At least ours didn't break
I
down.
had nothing to push against. It was all wet.
exactly. We were literally doing
There's only
something.
chances that you can blow that thing up and die.
Yeah, the only if we fucked up and just ram it head on, just break it. That's tough.
And the winner from Buffalo Grove High School, Misfire.
Well, it's not double.